Hello, I'm Mike Turk, a real estate broker with Real Page Real Estate Services. Today, I want to briefly offer my opinion as to what's happening to real estate market in Ontario and what is likely to follow a year from now and beyond. The point of view I am about to share with you is strictly based on my own observations and 30 plus years of experience as a real estate trader and is not meant to be financial advice or economic forecasting of any kind. I'm not an economist. What has happened to the real estate market in the first quarter of 2022 and what to expect in the rest of 2022 and early 2023 in Ontario. Real estate market has been quite strong in the first quarter of 2022, both in terms of number of sales transacted and in terms of price increases. As you well know, real estate prices have been increasing at a rate of anywhere from 15 to 25%, depending on where you live in Ontario or Canada, over the last 2 years or so. In my opinion, this has been due to two major factors. One is the serious supply issues we're facing in this province relative to demand, and second factor has been and continues to be very low interest rates. Up until very recently, one could get a 5-year closed mortgage at a rate of 2% or lower. I think this has been the fuel that has heated the real estate market to these, what some might call, extreme levels. However, these historically low interest rates, or some might say these unrealistic costs of borrowing, is coming to an end, and it is coming rather quickly. The Central Bank of Canada has strongly hinted at raising the interest rates up to 6 times this year alone. Each meeting raising the interest rate a quarter point and in some instances a full half a point until the cost of borrowing is raised at least 1.5 to 2% by the end of this year. This will need to be done to control the runaway inflation we're experiencing today. So how will these higher borrowing costs affect the real estate market? Are we likely to see a crash of the real estate market like the early 90s? Or will it be a soft landing? Despite the substantial increases to come to the cost of borrowing in the coming months, I honestly do not see the current real estate prices to decrease due to two reasons. One is, again, the serious lack of supply of housing in Ontario, particularly in major urban centers. The second reason is the large number of immigrants we are to receive each year. In fact, we are to receive about 450,000 new immigrants each year, and these people will need a place to live. It is more likely that we will continue to see average price increases of anywhere from 4 to 7% in the next few years. If you're delaying your purchase in the hope that real estate prices will actually decrease, I think you might be waiting a long time. This moderate pace of capital appreciation, anywhere from 4 to 7%, will be more realistic and sustainable and will create more buying opportunities. Ontario is also introducing an increase to foreign buyers tax from 15% to 20%, and this will now be applied to all of Ontario. This will also slightly moderate the price growth in the years to come. The expectation that you can buy real estate today at a low cost of interest and the very next day you can turn a profit will subside. And this will also decrease a good percentage of speculators from the marketplace and will help the supply situation as well. So there you have it. I think this year and the next, we are likely to see a more balanced market in the coming months. This will be good for the buyers since they will have more opportunities to buy, and also good for the sellers since extreme price increases year after year might lead to a crash of the real estate market. If any questions about Ontario real estate buying or selling process, feel free to contact me at no cost or obligation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for informative upcoming real estate videos. Thank you for watching.